Welcome to our YouTube channel, Teacing Education. We have started video series of MCQs for test preparation. So today I'm sharing with you the important MCQs of research in education. I'll share 20 MCQs for pedagogy preparation. Let's start. So our topic is research in education. Number 1. What is the primary purpose of educational research? And the answer is enhancing teaching methods. Number 2. Which type of research focuses on exploring new educational theories or concepts? And the answer is exploratory research. Number 3. What's the hypothesis in educational research? And the answer is an educated guess to be tested. Number 4. Which research method involves observation and recording behavior in their natural settings? And the answer is observational research. Number 5. Quantitative research in education primarily deals with, and the answer is numbers and statistics. Number 6. Which ethical principle emphasizes the importance of obtaining informed consent from research participants? And the answer is respect for person. Number 7. What is the purpose of a literature review in educational research? And the answer is to establish the research context and significance. Number 8. Which research design involves studying the same group of participants over an extended period? And the answer is longitudinal. Number 9. Which sampling method gives every member of the population an equal chance of being selected for the study? And the answer is random sampling. Number 10. What is the research variable? And the answer is a factor that can change in a study. Number 11. Which type of validity assesses whether a research study measures what it intends to measure? And the answer is construct validity. Number 12. In educational research, what does reliability refers to? And the answer is the consistency of research findings. Number 13. What type of research design involves both qualitative and quantitative data collection methods? And the answer is mixed methods research. Number 14. What is the purpose of a research proposal in educational research? The answer is to provide an overview of a research project. Number 15. Which statistical measure describes the average value in a set of data? And the answer is mean. Number 16. What is the null hypothesis? And the answer is a hypothesis that assumes no effect or relationship. Number 17. What is the peer review process in academic research? And the answer is a process where research is reviewed by colleagues in a field. Number 18. What is the primary purpose of conducting educational research? And the answer is to contribute to the existing body of knowledge. 19. What is the difference between qualitative and quantitative research? And the answer is qualitative research involves collecting and analyzing non-numeric data, while quantitative research involves numeric data. 20. What is the significance of a research hypothesis? And the answer is it guides the research process and predicts an outcome.
So our topic is researching in education. Question number 1. What is the primary goal of teaching methodology? And the answer is facilitating effective learn. 2. Which teaching approach focus on real life situation and problem solving? Answer is constructivism. 3. What is the purpose of formative assessment in teaching methodology? Answer is monitoring student progress. Which teaching strategy involves student teaching the materials to their peers? And the answer is flipped classroom. Which learning style emphasize learning through visual aids and diagram? And the answer is visual. The Socratic method is characterized by, the answer is question and answer dialogues. What does the acronym Bloom's taxonomy refers to in teaching methodology? And the answer is cognitive learning hierarchy. Which teaching technique encourages students to connect new knowledge to their prior experiences? And the answer is schema theory. In the context of teaching methodology, what does differentiation refer to? Answer is adapting instruction to meet diverse student need. What is the key principle behind scaffolding in teaching methodology? And the answer is providing temporary support to the help student reach higher level of understanding. Which teaching strategy focuses on allowing students to choose their own project and activities? And the answer is project-based learning. The zone of proximal development emphasizes, The gap between actual and potential learning. What is the primary objective of cooperative learning in teaching methodology? And the answer is encouraging teamwork and collaboration. What role does metacognition play in effective teaching methodology? And the answer is developing students' self awareness and self regulation. What is the primary purpose of a flipped classroom approach? And the answer is shifting direct instruction outside the classroom, allowing in depth activities during class time. Which instructional strategy emphasizes learning through hand or experience? And the answer is experiential learning. What does the term authentic assessment mean the teaching methodology? And the answer is assessing real world skills and applications. Which teaching method encourages students to explore and learn through trials and error? And the answer is discovery learning. The term pedagogy refer to, and the answer is the arts and science of teaching. What is the role of a facilitator in student centered teaching methodology? And the answer is guiding and supporting students' learning process. If you like our video, please share, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Questions of classroom management and discipline. Question number 1. Which of the following is an effective classroom management strategy? Answer: establishing clear expectations and rules. Question number 2. What is the primary goal of classroom management? Answer: facilitating learning and engagement. Question number 3. Which of the following is an example of proactive classroom management? Answer: setting up a structured classroom environment. Question number 4. What is the importance of building positive relationships with students for effective classroom management? Answer: it creates a supportive and engaging learning environment. Question number 5. Which of the following strategies can be used to prevent misbehavior in the classroom? Answer: using a variety of instructional methods. Question number 6. When implementing consequences for misbehavior, it is important to ensure that they are: Answer: proportional and fair. Question number 7. What is the role of a classroom management plan? Answer: to create a positive and productive learning environment. Question number 8. Which of the following is an effective strategy for dealing with disruptive behavior during a lesson? Answer: addressing the behavior privately after the lesson. Question number 9. What does it mean to have clear and consistent classroom rules? Answer: communicating and enforcing rules consistently. Question number 10. Which of the following is an example of a positive reinforcement technique? Answer: offering praise and reward for good behavior. Question number 11. In a classroom, what does the term routine refers to? Answer: predictable and organized procedures. Question number 12. Which of the following is an effective strategy for managing transitions between activities? Answer: providing clear instructions and time limits. Question number 13. What is the purpose of establishing a positive classroom culture? Answer: to foster a sense of belonging and respect. Question number 14. How can a teacher promote student engagement in the classroom? Answer: providing hands-on activities and group work. Question number 15. Which of the following is a proactive strategy for preventing conflicts among students? Answer: teaching conflict resolution skills and empathy. Question number 16. What is the role of effective communication in classroom management? Answer: it helps in establishing clear expectations and rules. Question number 17. Which of the following is an effective way to address minor misbehavior in the classroom? Answer: offering warnings and reminders of expected behavior. Question number 18. What is the purpose of involving students in creating classroom rules? Answer: to establish a sense of ownership and responsibility. Question number 19. Which of the following is an effective way to address off-task behavior during a lesson? Answer: redirecting the student's attention back to the task. Question number 20. What is the importance of modeling positive behavior as a teacher? Answer: it demonstrates expected behavior and sets an example for students.